Hello, today I'm going to try and show you very quickly how to put on these Costco Michelin wiper blades. It hasn't rained for 6 months in Southern California and it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Our blades are all rotten and eaten up by the ozone, so we need to put some new ones on. The first thing I want to tell you is you don't want to spend an extra $300 on this job like I did one time. So when you put these on, you make sure you cover this area with a towel or any soft object, because when you get this blade off, the spring loaded into this arm on this metal arm still allows it to come down with this kind of force. And believe it or not, that kind of force is enough to crack the bottom of this windshield, and you're going to be replacing it. So remember to put something here first. Now, as I do this, I just got a comment on my previous video, and the person said, I don't want to know how to put them on. How do you get them off? And getting them off is a trick. Remember, these things are designed to stay on here with a 70-mile-an-hour wind and never fly away, but they also have to be designed to be removed by novices like ourselves. So when I come over here, this is called the JHook Design, and you take it and you pull down, and this pulls out and it leaves this J-hook, and it fits on a sleeve, just goes in like that and snaps in and then pulls out the same way. Don't be surprised if you don't have to twist, wiggle, and push and pull. This is the hardest part of the job. When you open the box, you're going to find some parts that you may or may not need, so just set these aside for a moment. And when you get your blade out, you're going to notice a couple of things. There's going to be some yellow parts on it. And those yellow parts, for example here, someone told me in a comment, make sure to tell people to remove this. So you need to take this off. This is just a guard to protect it while it's in shipping. And then you'll see another piece like that right here that's yellow that needs to be removed. Now when you open this flap, you'll notice in here there's a curved piece of plastic. Now it's important to listen for snaps. You'll hear the plastic pieces snapping into place. So I look for this opening that will allow this J-hook to drop down into, and then I can slide it up into the J part of the hook. So I'll come in here, kind of go in at an angle like that, and when I get it in there, listen. You hear that snap in? And then when I bring this down, again, you can hear that snap. You know you got everything locked in, and you're good to go. These other plastic parts are made for vehicles that have something other than this JHook design. Good luck. I hope you have a nice, safe driving trip, and thank you for watching.